the health of your hair. The whole point of the microstrand technology is to use your hair and keep your own hair healthy. Use your hair means your hair is in between it. You're not covering it like a topper or a hairpiece or a wig. You're using your hair. We're adding hair in between it. To keep your hair healthy, you need to make sure it's firm and flat to your head, the perfect fit, as I said before, and all your hair should be through, or at least the majority of your hair should be through. If your hair is through, you have full access to your scalp, and you're using your own hair. And if you have full access to your scalp and you can actually scratch and reach your scalp very easily, then your scalp is breathing and your hair is out, and your hair can be nothing but staying healthy. In addition to, you have to put good products on and handle your hair properly to keep it healthy. Although the microstrand, as long as it's flat to the head and your hair is through it, then your hair will stay healthy.